everyone, welcome back to the show. How is your day going? Today, I'm joined by Sophie and we are going to talk about telling people about yourself.
Hi everyone, so glad to be with you today. Let's jump right in.
Sophie, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Daniel. How about you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking.
That's good to hear.
Today we have a very useful topic.
Yes, we do.
We are going to talk about ourselves.
That sounds simple.
It is simple, but it is very useful.
I agree.
When you meet someone new, what do you usually say first?
I usually say hello.
Of course.
Then I say my name.
Good.
I might say, hi, my name is Sophie.
That's a very easy sentence.
Yes,
And I can say, I'm Daniel.
exactly.
Sophie, can you tell us a little about yourself?
Sure. My name is Sophie. I live in a small city. I work in an office. I enjoy reading books.
Nice.
I also like listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
That's nice.
It helps me relax.
I understand.
What about you, Daniel?
My name is Daniel. I live with my family. I work from home.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Do you like working from home?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because it is comfortable.
That makes sense.
I also save time.
You don't need to travel to work.
Exactly.
That's a big advantage.
It really is.
Let's talk about family.
Good idea.
Daniel, do you have a big family?
Not very big. I have my parents and one brother.
That's nice.
Yes, we are close.
What about your brother?
His name is Adam.
How old is he?
He is 25.
Is he working?
Yes, he is.
What does he do?
He works at a school.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes, he enjoys his job.
That's important.
It really is.
I have a small family too.
Tell me about them.
I live with my parents. I also have one sister.
What's her name?
Her name is Emma.
Is she younger than you?
Yes, she is.
How old is she?
She is 19.
What does she like?
She likes drawing.
That's nice.
She draws almost every day.
Wow,
She wants to become an artist.
that's a great goal.
I think so too.
Let's talk about hobbies.
Okay.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books. I watch movies. And I sometimes go for a walk.
What kind of books do you read?
I like simple stories.
Do you like English books?
Yes, I do.
That's a good way to learn English.
Exactly.
You can learn new words from stories.
And you can see how people use them.
Good point.
What about you?
I like watching football.
Are you a big football fan?
Yes, I am.
How often do you watch it?
Usually on weekends.
Do you play football too?
Sometimes.
That's fun.
It is.
Let's talk about food.
Great topic.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Pizza.
Yes,
That's a classic answer.
I know.
What do you like on your pizza?
I like cheese and vegetables.
Sounds good.
What about you?
I love rice and chicken.
Nice.
My family cooks it often.
Do you cook?
Yes, a little.
What can you cook?
I can make eggs, pasta, and soup.
That's pretty good.
I'm still learning.
That's okay.
What about you?
I can make simple meals.
Like what?
Eggs and sandwiches.
Very simple,
Very simple.
but useful.
Exactly.
Here is a useful phrase for our listeners.
Which phrase?
I like.
That's a very useful phrase.
Yes. For example, I like reading.
Or I like music.
Right.
We can also say I enjoy reading.
Good.
Enjoy is also followed by an activity with ing.
For example, I enjoy watching movies.
Exactly.
That's a useful little grammar tip.
And it sounds natural.
Let's continue.
Sophie, are you an early person?
You mean, do I wake up early?
Yes.
Yes, I usually wake up at 7.
That's early for me.
What time do you wake up?
Around 8.
That's not too late.
True.
What do you do after you wake up?
I drink water. Then I have breakfast.
What do you eat?
Usually eggs and bread.
And coffee?
Yes, of course.
I knew it.
I really like coffee.
I prefer tea,
Tea is good too.
especially in the morning.
I agree. What do you do in the evening?
I usually relax.
How?
I watch something or read.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. I like quiet evenings too.
What do you usually do?
I listen to music. Sometimes I call a friend.
That's nice.
Yes.
Let's talk about personality.
Okay.
How would you describe yourself?
I think I'm friendly.
I agree.
You agree?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're also patient.
That's nice to hear.
What about me?
I think you're calm.
Really?
Yes.
I like that.
You're also helpful.
Thank you.
No problem.
Let's teach another useful word.
Which word?
Friendly.
Friendly means kind and nice to other people.
Exactly.
For example, my new neighbor's very friendly.
Good example.
Another useful word is quiet.
Quiet means not making much noise.
For example, I like quiet places.
Very useful.
These words are easy to use every day.
How about you?
Yes, you listening right now.
How would you describe yourself?
Are you friendly?
Are you quiet?
Are you funny?
Think about 3 words.
You can write your 3 words in the comments below.
That's a great way to practice.
Now let's talk about work.
Okay.
Daniel, what do you like about your work?
I like learning new things.
That's good.
I also like meeting people.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, most of the time.
That's honest.
What about you?
I like my co-workers.
That's important.
Yes,
Do you work every day?
Monday to Friday.
What time do you start?
I start at 9,
And when do you finish?
around 5.
That's a normal work day.
Yes,
Let's talk about weekends.
my favorite topic.
What do you do on weekends?
I sleep a little longer.
Good choice.
Then I have breakfast with my family.
Nice.
Sometimes we go outside.
Where do you go?
We go to a park or a restaurant.
Sounds great.
What about you?
I like staying home.
Really?
Yes,
You don't go out?
sometimes. But I enjoy a quiet weekend.
I understand.
We all need some rest.
That's true.
Let's talk about travel.
I love traveling.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to visit London.
Why London?
I want to see the city.
And practice English?
Yes.
That's a good reason.
What about you?
I want to visit Japan.
Japan?
Yes,
Why?
I like the culture and food.
Sounds interesting.
It would be a great trip.
Definitely.
Do you like traveling alone?
Not really.
Why?
I prefer traveling with family or friends.
Same here.
Traveling is more fun together.
I agree.
Let's learn one more phrase.
Sure.
I would like to.
We use it when we talk about something we want.
For example, I would like to visit London.
Or I would like to learn English.
Exactly.
That's a very useful sentence.
Especially for beginners.
Let's talk about goals.
Good idea.
What is one goal you have?
I want to improve my English.
That's a great goal.
I want to speak more confidently.
You already speak well.
Thank you.
What is your goal, Daniel?
I want to learn something new every day.
I like that.
Small steps can make a big difference.
That's true.
You don't need to learn everything in one day.
Exactly.
Just learn a little every day.
And practice what you learn,
Yes,
especially when learning English.
speaking is important.
Listening is important too.
Reading helps as well.
And writing helps you remember.
You need all 4 skills.
But don't worry.
Learning takes time.
Be patient with yourself.
That's very important.
Let's do a quick practice.
Great.
Say, my name is.
My name is Sophie.
Now say, I live in.
I live in a small city.
Now say, I like.
I like reading.
And I enjoy.
I enjoy listening to music.
Great job.
Now you try.
Say your name.
Say where you live.
Say what you like.
And say one thing you enjoy.
You can pause the video and practice.
Then play it again.
How about you?
What is your name?